Today, we're exploring how to facilitate organizational acceptance of the Aii methodology for AI integration. Benefits communication. Clearly convey the advantages of AI solutions to all stakeholders, such as improved efficiency, cost savings, enhanced customer experience, and innovation potential. Comprehensive training. Offer thorough training to all staff members using or affected by AI solutions. This helps them understand and use the solutions effectively. Staff involvement. Engage staff in the selection, integration, and deployment process to foster a sense of ownership and commitment to AI solutions. Concern management. Address any concerns staff may have about AI, including job security, privacy, and ethical implications, promptly and effectively. Ongoing support. Provide continuous support to staff as they adapt to AI solutions, including technical assistance and support for changes in roles or responsibilities. Celebration of successes. Actively recognize and celebrate achievements resulting from AI solutions to foster a positive view and promote wider adoption. Facilitating organizational acceptance of AI requires clear communication, comprehensive training, and continuous support. Addressing concerns swiftly and celebrating successes are key to seamless AI integration. For more information, check out the link to our book Aii Methodology in the description.